Oh yeah, this is my friend, the gay man. As you can see, he has a very ugly face. There he is. We have... He's going up here! Close
the door.
It's all darkness.
Oh God, that's not stuck in the door. Oh, why are you so stuck in the door? Don't flash and then get out of some spot.